The typical close rate from the leads that I get from Haven is roughly 60-70%. The leads that I get are pretty much, these people know what they want. They're pretty familiar with the lighting before I even show up. It's a you know an easy sale at that point, because they're really familiar with the lighting just from them looking up Haven and Haven getting the lead and Haven talking to them before I even get there. Full home automation lighting, app controlled. Your transformer, there's no timers. It's all zone controlled all through this app. You're not competing with anyone else. Their lighting set above all other lighting.